Imagine stepping into a world where automotive engineering collides with aquatic artistry, where the roar of a powerful engine harmonizes with the gentle, hypnotic sway of colorful tropical fish swimming gracefully inside a custom-built aquarium integrated seamlessly into the sleek interior of a luxury car, and as you slide into the driver's seat, your eyes are immediately drawn not to the dashboard or the infotainment screen, but to the mesmerizing spectacle of crystal-clear water contained within reinforced glass panels that wrap around the cabin in a way that makes you feel as though you're piloting a vehicle not just through streets and highways but through an underwater wonderland, where the lighting has been meticulously calibrated to simulate the natural sun and moon cycles, creating a calming ambience that transforms every commute into a meditative experience. And as the car glides smoothly along the road, the fish dart effortlessly among miniature coral reefs, tiny shipwreck replicas, and carefully arranged aquatic plants, each element selected for both aesthetics and the well-being of the aquatic inhabitants, demonstrating an extraordinary level of craftsmanship and attention to detail, from the custom filtration system cleverly hidden beneath the seats to maintain perfect water quality, to the integrated temperature control system ensuring the delicate balance required to keep the ecosystem thriving. And as you continue to explore this masterpiece of innovation, you notice that even the sound system has been tuned not to disturb the serene environment within the aquarium, with low-frequency bass carefully isolated so the vibrations do not stress the fish, and the car's exterior has been subtly modified to accommodate the added weight of the water and the specialized lighting rigs, ensuring that performance, handling, and safety are uncompromised, turning what might have seemed like an eccentric novelty into a fully functional, road-worthy piece of automotive ingenuity. And it's not just about the spectacle. This vehicle represents a new frontier in luxury customization, pushing the boundaries of what is possible when imagination, technology, and design converge, inviting enthusiasts to rethink not only how a car should look and feel, but how it can provide an entirely new sensory experience, one where the calming effects of an aquatic environment are seamlessly merged with the thrill of driving, making every journey a conversation starter, a testament to human creativity, and a bold declaration that in the realm of high-end automotive customization, even the wildest ideas can become reality. And as you finally take a moment to reflect on this breathtaking fusion of form and function, the car itself seems almost alive, a living, moving ecosystem that transforms ordinary transportation into an extraordinary adventure, proving that when vision meets engineering, the result is nothing short of magical.